Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. So I hope that you want to see how I created this look and stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we'll be using the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have had this palette for a while, and just like previous videos, I am just using what I currently have. So I will go in today with, today I don't really know which colors I really want to use from the palette. I'm just gonna go with the flow today. Alright, so I'll start with Tempera, just right here, and I'll be putting Tempera all over my lid, and I'm using a Sigma E40 blending brush. Oh, I thought that this was a matte shade, but it has some sort of shimmer. We'll make it happen. Up next, I'll be going in with Buon Fresco over my crease, and it's not really a very precise application, so just on the crease. This is just to have a foundation to blend the other colors that I'll be putting next, and that's that. Next I'll be going in with Raw Sienna, and this is going just where I placed Buon Fresco. So I don't even know why I placed the other one, but that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just playing with this palette. I don't even know what I'm gonna come up with. I think this is my second time that I use Modern Renaissance at all, and I haven't really watched many tutorials on how to do this here, how to use the palette. I've had it for maybe a good 3 years since it came out pretty much, and I have not really used it that much. I don't know if Raw Sienna is even showing up on my eyes. I don't really see it, so hopefully it does after a while. Alright, so that's that. Next shade that I'll be using is Cypress Umber, which is this one here, and I'll be concentrating it on the outside corner here. And I hope I don't have any fallout from here because I already did my whole face. So what I'm doing is just trying to be careful with the application, and I'm trying to drag this Cypress Umber out for a little bit, and just blending it to the crease as well, something like that. And to place it, I'm just like tapping it and then blending out into the creases. And this is like a brown, chocolate brown color. And what I wanted to create with this palette was like a holiday-ish look. I hope I can do that and just blend your life away. Alright, and the next shadow that I'll be using is this Antique Bronze, and I'll be applying that to my lid using my fingers. So I just grab using my finger and I'll apply it all over my lid. And so I don't have any harsh lines. I'm just gonna go back to the same brush I was using before. I'm not picking up anything, and I'm just blending around it and mixing it with the color out here. Not picking up anything else, just blending. Up next, I'm going to blend around everything using Raw Sienna. And I will be bringing back some light to my brow bone using Tempera. Alright, so I don't want to do more to my top. I am going to just go at the bottom here, and I will be using antique bronze, and I will place it on the bottom here of my lash line. And closer to my lash line, I will go in with Cypress Umber. And that is just to intensify my lower lash line. I will be lining my top lash line using the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner. I will go over my outer portion of my eye just to smudge a little bit of this black liner. I'm using a little brush like this, and I'm going back to Cypress Umber, and I'm just going to smudge a little bit of my liner. Next, I'll be applying my fake lashes. So before I do so, I am going to use this Tarte curler. And I'll be applying a coat of mascara, and this is the Tarte Hardiest mascara. If you don't want to use fake lashes, you can pretty much leave your eyes as is right now. The only thing that I would do is just apply a little bit of a inner corner highlight. And to do so, I will be using my Stila Kitten. This is the shadow that I always use whenever I'm applying an inner corner highlight. I love it for that. And also, if you do not want to have your eyes be very harsh, I would recommend you do a brown liner like I'm doing today, because my lashes are extra, so I don't need anything extra on my eyes. So I'm just gonna do my waterline with this brown liner. And this liner is from Urban Decay. So if you don't want to wear false lashes, this is going to pretty much be the final look. But because I want to be extra, I'm going to be wearing lashes. And I am going back to my only set of lashes that I currently own. And these are Lily lashes, and it was a collection that they had with Sephora. So I'll be applying my lashes and I'll be back. Alright, so now that my lashes are on, the last thing I have to do is put lipstick on. And this wouldn't be like a holiday Christmas theme tutorial if I don't wear like a red lipstick. And my favorite red is Ruby Woo by MAC. As you can see, I'm almost done. I already have a backup, but I just want to use the whole thing. So I am not lining my lips, which could be a big mistake, but I'll try to deal with this as is. And just what I thought, I have a big mess that I have to clean up now. And for that, I'll be using just my little sponge and my fingers. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe. Share the video, and hopefully you learned something, or at least saw me playing with my makeup. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you soon. Bye.